Hey everyone! In an earlier workshop, a user asked about how to do a catalog search for images that contain multiple keywords. This brought to my attention the difference between matching any versus matching all. Let's explain. In Manage mode, I have navigated to the Catalog panel on the left navigation window. You can see that I have keywords expanded. Under clothing, I have two sub-keywords that are of interest here. One is cultural clothing and the other is casual clothing. If I click on cultural, some images come up that contain that keyword. If I click on casual, the same is true. However, if I click on both casual and cultural using this little chevron on the left of the keyword, both groups will be listed in their entirety. This is because I am showing any images that contain either the cultural keyword or the casual keyword. Now, I can change this to only show images that contain both keywords. To do this, I'll navigate to this little cogwheel next to the keyword header. I'll make sure to change from match any to match all. By doing so, now images will pop up only that contain both of those keywords, not just images that contain either or. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like, click the bell icon. That'll notify you when we upload new videos.